Good morning. I will show you on how to make a collage art. So here are the materials needed. Your construction paper, your glue, your pencil, your scissors, and also your illustration board. So here are the steps. Get a construction paper, just like this, and then fold in 4 parts. Then cut in strips way. Be patient in making this activity because you should exert more time and more effort. Just like this. And then cut it in a vertical way. Just like this, okay? Afterwards, you make it like this. Okay, so the next step is using your illustration board, make your pattern. Okay, I started a while ago, okay? Using your glue, draw in your pattern, just like this. And then get your cutted construction paper. Then just like this. Okay. We it should one at a time only, one color at a time. To not collide the colors, other colors in your activity. Okay, and that's it. Then just like this. It's easy, okay? Okay, it will become like this. So beautiful. And then again, start over. Follow your pattern and to give some beauty in your artwork. Use some other colors, other construction paper if you want to feel the essence and beauty of your artwork. A while ago I made it. I made other construction paper, other colored paper, and I cut it in a mincing way. Here are they. As I said a while ago, it should one at a time only to not collide the colors in your artwork. Okay, it's a flower. I made it, and then follow again after you satisfied. Here comes the red color. Top at the bottom to fill all the spaces in between the glue and your artwork. And that's it. Okay. Here are the final output of our artwork. Collage art. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something new about this day. Thank you.